How are you? I hope you all are fine. So let's take the topic for today's class is can, may, should, must. Dear students, there are many modal auxiliaries. Here we will discuss can, may, should and must. So can and cannot से start करते हैं और can't you can say. Can suggest the ability to do something. For example, I can run fast. Cannot, can't suggest the absence of some ability. Example, I cannot solve this puzzle. So it is showing the ability of someone. कोई क्या कर सकता है, किसकी कितनी योग्यता है करने की, right? May not meant is used to may is used to ask or give permission. Examples, may I come in, as you people take the permission from your teacher to come inside, right? Seeking permission, yes, you may. Giving permission. May not is used to refuse permission. May I take your pen? No, you may not, but you may not. So this is refusing permission. Should, shouldn't or should not. Should and should not both are used when we want to give advice to suggest something. है ना, जब हम एडवाइस देते हैं तो शुड और शुड नॉट यूज़ करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, यू शुड ऑलवेज टेक मेडिसिन इन टाइम. यह हमने किसी को एडवाइस किया कि आपको हमेशा टाइम पर मेडिसिन लेनी चाहिए. एंड यू शुड नॉट स्किप द मेडिसिन, और आपको मेडिसिन स्किप नहीं करनी चाहिए, राइट? ये भी तो एक एडवाइस थी. मस्ट, मस्ट नॉट. Must is used when it is very important to do something. Example, we must do exercise to be healthy. Must not is used when something should not be done at all. Example, you must not park your car here. So हमें कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो बहुत important है वो हम must के through define कर सकते हैं, right? Not, both can and may are used while seeking permission. May is used in formal situation and can in informal situation, right? दोनों seeking permission seek के लिए होता है, but may आप formal में use करते हो और informal के लिए can use हो सकता है. Exercise A part, complete these sentences using can or cannot. I dash lift this box as it is very heavy. So अगर वो heavy है तो मैं नहीं उठा सकती हूँ. I cannot lift this box as it is very heavy. B part, complete these sentences using may or may not. May I go to the toilet, right? Okay. C part, complete the sentences using should or shouldn't. So you have measles, you should not go to school, right? Okay, fine. Now D part, complete the sentences using must or must not. He dash smoke in the hospital, he must not smoke in the hospital. E part, correct the following sentences and rewrite them in the space provided. Rohit may speak 2 languages. Correct the following sentences and rewrite them in space provided. आप इन्हें ठीक करिए. और can speak, yes, उसकी ability बताई जा रही है तो we will not use here may, we will say Rohit can speak 2 languages. Fine? Okay, fine. आप इन exercises को attempt करिए और while doing this, have fun, enjoy.